This video is the first in a series on diagnosing a 1971 Toyota Landcruiser. The customer asked me to just kind of get it running, get the engine running, maybe check the carburetor out, just basically go over the thing. It's pretty rough. I'm not, as far as I know, I'm not going to do any body work, but we'll see how that works out. But doesn't have a gas tank, doesn't have seats. It's pretty much just a shell, engine, transmission, and axles. I'll back up and give you a full shot. You can see it's pretty rough. Looks like Herbie the Love Bug died and stopped here. But anyway, it's a 71. Just trying to document the current state. Missing the blower for the heater system. Apparently it has points in the condenser ignition. I think I see a condenser on the back side down there. You can tell it looks like a condenser down there. So it's going to be a pretty simple ignition system. It's missing a battery tray. The battery support's in there, but the battery tray's missing. Obviously no battery. Not sure this radiator is worth anything. The radiator looks like junk. Looking over here, it's got an alternator. Oddly, something I haven't seen yet, it's got an oil filter up here by the carburetor. I'll have to dig deeper and find out where those lines tie into the block, but it's got a remote oil filter, which is I haven't seen before on these things. I see a fan, so this guy's got us all the basic stuff, except for things I already noted. It's got this emissions device here. I'll have to trace some of those hoses down, see where that's going. But overall, it's in pretty rough shape. So he wants me to fix the brakes, the clutch, the engine, get the engine running. I'm not sure what else is wrong with it. It's got two flat tires. The back driver's side tire, it may be okay. It's kind of low, but it's been that way for 2 days, so it may be holding air. This front one's definitely out of air. It's got a hole in it. The other two tires on the other side, they seem to be holding air. They've been this way for 2 days. The wheels are spoke wheels. I'm going to see if he wants me to powder coat them to make them look new. Of course, for the rest of this car being the shape it is, I don't know if that's going to matter. It's got a newfangled gas tank cap. I don't know if that's original. I'm pretty sure it's not. Again, no seats. So it's pretty basic. Yeah, it's kind of a mess, but I'm going to get it running and get it rolling, and then he'll let him decide what he wants to do from there. So the next, first thing we'll do is check the oil. After that, see if it maybe turns over by hand, and go from there. I might take the valve cover off, check the lift of all check the lift of the lifters and cams, see if the cam's worn out, and just try to get it to a point where I can maybe put a battery in it and spin it over. I'm not going to do that until I make sure it's got oil and it will turn over. I'm going to stick a camera in the spark plug ports and check the bore condition, and see what those look like, see if they're rusted or crudded up. But this thing's going to be a project. So stick around and watch, see what happens. Thank you.